You really don't have any tables. Well, all right. Can't get a table. So we'll just have to make it at home then. Today we're making cheddar cheese soup. This is offered at Cellier, which is an expensive steakhouse in Epcot. They do book up pretty far in advance, so if you can't get a table, then why not just make it at home? Welcome to Disney Dishes, where I'm making every popular food from Walt Disney World. Today we're in Epcot at Cellier, which is I want to say signature dining is how they categorize it, meaning it's expensive. It's a sit-down restaurant, something you need to book pretty far in advance. I've never been, but I've heard the food is really, really good. Now, according to my research, they have a cheddar cheese soup that is a must-have if you do get a table and eat there. So that is on our list for this series. The recipe is in the description if you want to make this at home, and I really think you're going to want to, so let's make it. We're going to start by melting some butter in a saucepan here. And once that's melted, we've got diced onion that we're going to cook for around 10 minutes or until they become translucent over a medium heat. Now we're going to add in our flavorings. So we've got garlic that we've minced up, about 2 cloves. We're also going to add in some all-purpose flour, which is going to help thicken the soup, some paprika, some fresh thyme, and then we're going to give that a stir over medium-low for 1 to 2 minutes just to wake everything up and bring out the flavors we've added. We're going to hit this with some white wine, give that a couple minutes, and then we're going to add in chicken stock. After the chicken stock is added, we're going to stir to combine everything, bring it to a simmer, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After it has simmered, we're going to make sure the heat is on low, and we're going to add in some whole milk. Now, once the milk has been added in, you don't want it to come to a simmer because you could risk the milk separating. So just over low heat until it starts to steam and the milk is hot. You can kill the heat at that point and add in lots of shredded cheddar. Now, the better the cheddar, the better the soup. Use whatever cheese is in your budget. I got a decent block of cheddar, shredded it myself, and just stirred it in until it was melted. Now we're just going to taste for seasoning, bowl it up, top with a little more shredded cheddar. I like some fresh cracked pepper on top of mine as well, and it is just so delicious, and it's really not that hard to make, but it's very special. One of my favorite things about this, yes, is how decadent it is, but also how simple and quick it is to put together. It's less than an hour total for a really good soup that you can make a big batch of if you want to serve it for a dinner party or just have a lot of it in the fridge. Because we layered the flavors with the white wine, we have the onion, the garlic, the paprika, and then that cheddar at the end, I already know that this is going to be probably one of my favorite things so far. And it sure is. Honestly, what comes to mind first is the amount of flavor that is in that, considering it didn't take that long. Deglazing the pan with the white wine and adding the thyme and the paprika and the garlic add all these lovely little notes that really boost up the cheese and the decadence of this soup. And you get such a good, solid cheddar flavor for a really rounded and delicious soup. You hear that? Didn't need a table. I made it at home. Okay, once again, the recipe is in the description. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me for the rest of my Disney Dishes series. If there are any foods from Disney World you love that you want me to make, be sure to comment down below and let me know. Of course, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.